We're always looking to earn extra cash. And what if that all you need is your phone? Well, there's a few apps that you can download and you can start earning extra cash. But what are those apps and how can you redeem this money? Well, if you're really interested in it, well, stay tuned. Let's go hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet to another video. My name is Carlos. This is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification button, the bell notification button, so you guys are notified by me when I release my videos. And leave me comments in the comment sections and give me that thumbs up if you like this video. It will be greatly appreciated. Share my videos because I want to reach as many people as possible to let them know there's a way that you can actually start making money online, and eventually you scale it up and create a full-time income from home. Now, we're gonna jump into this video. Let's get to it. All right, first things first, guys. This is not a get rich quick scheme, so I want to get that out of the way. You're not gonna earn a full-time income by doing this, but think about this. What if by doing any of these tasks on your phone, you can actually start earning, $20, $30, $40, and then, at one point you can get up to $50 a week. Well, any way that you can earn money by actually not doing anything is very helpful. So I'm gonna show you the first app, and this is called Welcome to Panel app. The way this one works is you're gonna sign up with your phone number. But first of all, you see you can download it in the App Store or the Google Play. They actually have sweepstakes. You can take surveys, you can earn points, and what actually you gotta do is you are going to share your location. So they're gonna give you surveys based on your location, and as you can see, you'll be able to earn points, and then you can redeem themselves. You can actually redeem them for gift cards. So what if you actually have something like $30? You can get a gift card for Dunkin' Donuts, or maybe one of your favorite restaurants. It's $30 less than you gotta pay for it, right? And all you did was take a few surveys in your time off. We're always on our phones, so that's the funny thing about all this. We're always on our phones. We're always doing something. Why not start earning some cash? The number 2 is Drop. This app, it's also available in the App Store and in the Play Store. So you can actually start earning when you make purchases. You can go to Grubhub. Are you into coffee? Purchasing from Amazon, using Uber. As you can see, you can actually start earning from your first coffee to your latte. Food, shopping, and travel. Whether you reserve flights from Expedia or ordering food from places like Postmates, you can shop directly from the Drop app. So you will download the app. You make your purchases with all the companies that work with this app, and you can start earning rewards. Just effortlessly earn points. Start earning points right away for every purchase that you make. You get Drop points quickly, and they add up, so you can spend them even faster. So these rewards are as good as cash. Redeem your points at places like Amazon, Netflix, and Starbucks. So we all buy from Amazon, so what better way that you're actually doing just purchases, earning gift cards on Amazon, and you can get anything that you want. So you get the app, shop and earn points, and get the rewards. So that's one of the apps that you can actually use. Drop at earnwithdrop.com, or just go to the store and download the app from your phone. The next one is Microsoft Reward. The way this actually works, you download the Bing app, right? And you need to download the app to earn your first 100 daily mobile search points. Now, you search online all the time for everything. Now, remember what we talk about on other videos? Just Google it. Well, how about if you go and use Bing instead and start earning points, and then you can redeem them for cash or you can redeem them for gift cards. And you're actually already doing searches online. What better way to know that you're earning points, earning cash by doing searches on your phone? One of the other things that I noticed, it says Microsoft Edge app. I never heard of it, to be honest with you. This is the first time I actually saw it. It's like you download the app, search with Bing on the mobile Microsoft Edge browser for those 100-mile mobile search points and additional points with the Edge bonus. So you can actually download the Bing app to search on your phone, and you can actually go and download the Microsoft Edge app. Now, why are they doing this? Because Google has taken over our search lives. Everything we search on Google. Well, what better way to actually start earning from them that, search on Bing, search on Microsoft Edge app, and you are getting rewards right doing something that you do every single day. Okay, now we're gonna go into the competition, right? Google opinion rewards. Well, I wasn't able to leave them behind because you Google everything. Well, how about if you take surveys with Google? They always looking to improve their client experience. For them, being on Google, being the #1 search engine in the world is the most important thing. So if you download their app, you're gonna get surveys on your phone. You complete the task and you're gonna earn points. You download the app and you take the surveys. You complete short surveys while standing in line or waiting for a subway. Well, you can actually be sitting at home watching TV. So, topics include everything from opinion posts to hotel reviews to merchant satisfaction surveys. Will notify you when the survey is waiting. So, you're already using Google anyways. Well, download their app, give them your opinion, and get rewarded. You can actually get PayPal money or PayPal credit, or you can actually download some other apps from the Google Play that maybe if your kids want to play for, and then there's apps that are like $2-3. Maybe you earn your rewards. You can download those apps for free, and then you have your kids happy because they're playing the app that they wanted to instead of you spending $2-3 for the paid app. Hey, you can't go wrong with that. The next one is cashback automatically. Now, how many of you have a credit card that gives you cashback for every purchase? Well, maybe you can double down and you can go to Dosh, download the app, and the app is also available on the App Store and the Google Play. What you need to do is you will connect one of your cards. Which one's the card that you use the most to make purchases? Is it your credit card? Is it your debit card? Now they're secure, and they will save. They have a back level security. We're serious about your security, and we protect every piece of data you share with us. They encrypt it, and they have data safeguards and account authentications. So why do we need your card? So we can give you cash. Dosh connects securely with your credit or debit card each time you use that card. To pay at any stores or restaurants, Dosh automatically gives you cash back. So, as you can see, they have been featured in Forbes, Business Insider, USA Today. So, do your research. Go take a look. And you see, these are some of the places that you can actually start spending money. World Market, Snapfish, never heard of what it is. Pizza Hut, 1-800-Flowers, Dunkin' Donuts. What if you buy coffee every single day and you're getting money back? So check it out. And hotels on Dosh. You also have hotels on Dosh. Let's go click on that. Just take a quick look because I didn't look at that before. Download Dosh. They only have that pays you when you stay. So what if every time you make a reservation, you're getting cash back for every reservation that you make at a hotel? That's just an added bonus. So check them out, travel-cash. The next one, and this one I know a lot of you are probably gonna like a lot, because when you go out, you go into a family reunion or you go on a trip, you love to take those pictures. Nowadays phones have absolutely amazing cameras, and you have all the filters to make those pictures look very professional. Now the app is called Confort. What is gonna happen is you gotta upload your videos and pictures and earn money. What happens is they're gonna create a portfolio on your app. Every time you take pictures, these companies are always looking for free royalty pictures. And sometimes, people that are professional at this charge a lot of money for some of these pictures that randomly they want to use in other, websites or any type of advertisement. So when a brand agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or a picture from your online portfolio, we share the profits with you 50-50. Now, in the app, it shows you that this was sold like $100, this one was $100, and you're actually making $50 on a picture that you already took while you were out walking with your family members or just on a trip. And what if you have all the filters and you make that picture look very professional? A moment that you're by a skyline, or maybe you're by a park, you live by the beach, you take these beautiful sunset pictures, right? Or you take these beautiful pictures for the fall, or you take these beautiful pictures during the summer. You put it on your portfolio. People are searching for these pictures all the time. And this app is actually giving you 50% commission on the sale. What if your picture sells for $200? You make $100 for literally just snapping a picture in your phone, and you weren't even doing it for work, you were just doing it for fun, but somebody loved that picture. This next one is called receipthub.com. Now what you do with this one, and actually I have it on my phone, and I hope that you actually can see it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to, but I hope that you see it. You will take any receipt of any purchase that you make, and you will actually earn points. Now I'm at I hope that you can see it, like 1,135 points. So there's 3 ways that you earn your rewards. You can get it through an Amazon gift card, you can actually get it through a Visa, a prepaid Visa card, or you can get it directly into PayPal. You can download this from the App Store and the Google Play, and listen, you purchase things every single day. Why not, take the purchases, get your receipts. If you go grocery shopping, if you go to places like BJ's, or maybe you got a Costco, and if you're in the US, these apps can actually give you, gas money after a while. I gotta be totally upfront with you guys. It takes a while to get to that point. It's been taking me at least 2 months to get to 1,135 points, but I've been snapping receipts every single day because we're always buying groceries, we're always putting gas on our cars, we're always going out and eat with family and friends. So every single receipt that we get, we just snap it, and then we start earning the coins, and eventually we're gonna take that money, either PayPal or we are gonna take a gift card. Those are the apps. Go download them, pick the one that you like the most, put it on your phone, download it, and start earning cash today. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you guys get notified when I release my videos, when I release them. Also, leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know which app do you like, which one you're gonna try, and let me know how long it took you to actually earn your first reward. And with that being said, I will hope to see you guys in the next video.